Want to get your Z Fold 4 on time? Then stay tuned. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 for official reservation is out. You don't need to buy up front. The best part is you can trade off the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with other phones, and Samsung is giving the big discount on pre-orders of Z Fold 4. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on August 10th, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, along with Z Flip 4, Galaxy Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds. And Samsung even shared a multiple teaser of new upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4, which they will use later in the trailer of both devices. And yes, Samsung is making this big with starting reservation for Z Fold 4. Are you guys going to reserve your Z Fold 4? If you want to get Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 on time, then this is the right time to reserve your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. And you can head over to Samsung's official website and give your information, your name and email ID to reserve your device. Why you should do that? The big reason is sometimes even pre-orders didn't get on time. This happens to Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra pre-orders, where Samsung didn't manage to ship pre-orders to consumer due to chip shortage. And another big thing you can get with the Z Fold 4 pre-order is you will get $100 credit. But if you are going to pre-order all 3 devices, including Watch 5 and Galaxy Buds, then you can end up saving $200 credit from Samsung, which you can use to buy accessories for Z Fold 4, including the case and the additional S Pen. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 for 1TB version and 128GB version will not be available globally, according to Anthony. Some markets only get 256GB version and 512GB version. And a sad news for European users, since the retailer leaked the price of Z Fold 4, including only 2 versions, 256 and 512GB version. 128 or 1TB version is not available, which means European market will only get 256 or 512GB version. And they will cost around €1,849 for a 256GB version, and €1,999 for 512GB version. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 will come with a similar design just like the Z Fold 3, but few things are changed. First, the cameras are way better than the last generation Z Fold 3. 50-megapixel main lens is 12-megapixel ultra-wide and 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. And a new hinge would change the inner display and outer display of a Z Fold 4. Are you guys going to reserve your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video and comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.